I'm Chaitanya. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Third Eye. At Third Eye, our aim is to simplify how complex construction projects are managed. By leveraging cutting-edge technology and integrating multitude of data sets to create a real-time intelligent digital replica of the project, Third Eye augments project managers with machine-level accurate intelligence to drive greater productivity to complete the projects on time, resulting in significant savings in both time and cost.
Hi, I'm Kiran and I recently joined Third Eye and I handle the sales and business development vertical of the startup.
So when we joined this accelerator, our main purpose was to get access into the UAE market, and we thought, how we can actually get into this market, develop a go-to-market strategy specifically for the UAE region. But what we found out was we kind of rediscovered or reimagined our entire business model. Right from how do we do customer discovery to how do we connect with them, and then it's all about solving their problems, right? It's not about presenting our technology. That is one thing we actually discovered, and it has been immense help for us. Right from how we pitch to how we sell, I think there's a tremendous increase in terms of the progress made.
So, adding to what NK has mentioned, we recently pivoted as a startup in November 2019, and we are at that phase where we are trying to sort of reposition and realign our strategy with the product that we've built. And I think that is where StartAD has helped us in understanding and also the insights that we actually have got from either the partners, trainers, or even from the other startups. I think that's been really helpful. So it's been a great learning in the last 1 month or so.
So previously, what we used to do before this is present technology to customers and say, you need it. And we were just focused on selling our technology. We knew our technology was great, selling technology. But what has been a paradigm shift for us, I can say that is, it's not about technology, right? It's not about what product you have. It's about solving customers' needs. And you could only do that if you have a proper discovery with it, asking questions. The 3 specific meetings that were structured around customer discovery, the proposition, and finally the proposal helped us, reimagine how we actually do sales. We could specifically ask questions, we could say what their problems are, and position our technology in such a way that we solve their problems. So those 3 sessions, the way it was structured with Bridget and Tariq and Tibi, giving amazing feedback to us. So that has helped us in a great way.
GCC market for us is very interesting because technology adoption in construction is something that the region actually actively sort of does. Probably the other regions that sort of do is Europe to a certain extent and US. So in that scenario, where we are talking about integrating data sets and using the digital twin technologies, which are the next areas of focus for construction assets. This is an area that, or rather, a region that sort of will likely try out these technologies. Considering the amount of construction activity that happens in this region, and also the focus on adopting the new technology. So in that way, it has been a very important area for us. And StartAD has great partners on in this program, so that has definitely helped us to sort of establish the first connect. And we had some really interesting conversations, and we understood where they are on the technology adoption curve, and what are their pain points and what are the areas that they are looking to solve. So it's been helpful to sort of understand the sector in general in this area. I think that's been that we now have a better understanding of. StartAD is a great platform for that. The fact that the way it is structured, the program, and it's not only about the connection, it's also about the insights or the mentoring that you get from people on board, and I think that is more valuable to the startups than probably connecting to the companies and getting the opportunities might come now or probably a couple of months down the line, I think. But helping you at the right time and sort of realigning or sort of repositioning you in the market is extremely important. I think that is something that you can definitely look for, and I would suggest any startup to sort of definitely try out and get onto the StartAD Accelerator. I mean, we loved it. I'm sure everyone will sort of find value.
For us, it's reinvent.
The program has been eye-opening for us.